Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to learn about the what are the types of polarization. Okay, there are three types of polarization. First is your ionic polarization. First is your electronic polarization. Second is your ionic polarization, and third is your orientational polarization. Actually, any polarization is a sum of these three polarizations. So what is first? First is your electronic polarization. You can denote it as a PE. Okay. Second is your ionic polarization. You can denote it as a PI. And third is your orientational polarization. You can denote it as a PO. So any polarization P, which is the sum of electronic polarization, ionic polarization plus orientational polarization. So what is mean by electronic polarization? So suppose in case of a non-polar molecules, what happens in case of non-polar molecules? There is a overlapping of positive cloud and negative cloud. That means positive charge cloud is overlap on a negative charge cloud. So both are overlap on each other. So that is your non-polar molecules. So central there is a positive charge and there is a negative charge outside this area. Okay. So but their centers are coincide with each other. That's why we say that positive charge cloud, negative charge cloud overlap on each other. So when the electric field is applied, external electric field is applied, what happens? This positive charge cloud will be displaced from its position. This positive charge cloud will shifted towards this suppose left hand side, and this negative cloud will shifted towards your right hand side. Okay, so such a kind of polarization is known as your electronic polarization. Why it is known as electronic polarization? The negative charges, that is negative charge means what? Electrons have the negative charge. Nucleus is a positively charge. So this negative charges will be displaced in one direction and positive charges will displace in another direction, and which give rise to the polarization. Hence it is known as your electronic polarization. So this electronic polarization is given by PE is equals to the alpha E, that is polarization constant for electronic polarization. It is directly proportional to the electric field. So alpha E into E, and what is N here? N is the number of atoms or number of molecules per unit volume. So electronic polarization is given by N into alpha E into E. In some books you can take capital N also in place of small n. So this is about your electronic polarization. So what is ionic polarization? So in case of dielectric material, there are certain positive negative ions are also there in a dielectric materials. What happens when you apply the external electric field? These positive charges will be displaced in one direction and these negative charges will displace in another direction. So these ions are get displaced due to this external electric field. So positive ions will be displaced in one direction and negative ions will be displaced in another direction. So this is known as your which polarization? Ionic polarization. And you can write this ionic polarization is Pi is equals to, here what is N is the number of ions. Okay, number of ions per unit volume into alpha I. Alpha I is the polarizability constant for ionic polarization into the external electric field. Okay, so this is about your ionic polarization. Now what is meant by orientational polarization? So suppose this one is your dipole. Okay, so this is your positive charge, this one is your negative charge, and if this dipole is placed in a external electric field, if I have to apply the electric field is E is the electric field, what happens? This dipole which is oriented in this direction, what happens? Its orientation will change, and its orientation will be like this. Okay, so there is a change in orientation of a dipole. So hence it is known as your orientational polarization. What happens? This positive charge will experience the force in this direction. This positive charge experience the force in the direction of the electric field, and this negative charge will experience the force in opposite direction. So these two forces, this one force is upward direction, okay, and second force is in this direction. These two forces, two opposite forces, this force same, okay, same force, this on positive charge and this on the negative charge. So this forms the couple, and moment of couple is known as the torque. So torque means rotational motion. So this dipole will rotate at this position. This dipole will rotate at this position, and it becomes a aligned parallel to the direction of the electric field. So this is the original orientation. It will rotate in this way, okay. So and it will align in the direction of the electric field. So this is known as your which polarization? Orientation polarization. And you can write the expression for the orientation polarization is P. This is the direction. You can write by dotted sign. This is the direction of the displaced dipole. Okay. So what is the expression for orientational polarization? Same. Number of dipoles per unit volume, or number of atoms per unit volume, or number of molecules. Okay. N is the number of atoms or molecules per unit volume. Alpha O is there. Alpha O means it is the polarizability constant for orientational polarization into the external electric field. So in every case there is a electric field. This polarization is totally depends upon this electric field. Here electric field, if electric field is more, polarization will be more. So any polarization which is a sum of electronic polarization, ionic polarization as well as orientational polarization. So polarization is the sum of PE plus PI plus PO. Okay. So this is about your types of polarization. Actually any polarization is a sum of electronic polarization, ionic polarization and orientational polarization. Okay. Thank you.